Welcome to an essential look at modern cybersecurity. Today, we're demystifying Zero Trust architecture and its core security principles. Zero Trust architecture, or ZTA, is a powerful framework that fundamentally changes how we think about digital security. In today's complex digital environment, with remote work and cloud services, traditional security perimeters are no longer enough to protect against evolving cyber threats. The philosophy behind Zero Trust is simple yet revolutionary. Never trust, always verify. This means no user or device is inherently trusted, regardless of location. One of ZTA's core tenets is the principle of least privilege. This is crucial for maintaining a strong security posture. Least privilege ensures that users and devices only receive the minimal access rights necessary to perform their required tasks, limiting lateral movement for attackers. By strictly controlling access, you dramatically reduce the potential attack surface, making it harder for malicious actors to compromise your systems. The second core principle is continuous verification, a dynamic approach to security that contrasts with static, one-time checks. This principle demands verifying the identity and security posture of every user and device at every single access attempt, not just once at login. Continuous verification provides a robust defense against evolving threats, ensuring that an attacker gaining temporary access can't simply move freely through the network. To successfully implement Zero Trust, several key components work together to enforce security policies across the digital environment. These include strong identity management for user verification and microsegmentation, which divides the network into small, secure zones. Policy enforcement points control access, while continuous monitoring tracks traffic and adapts security policies in real time based on risk assessments. Zero Trust fundamentally differs from traditional security, which often focuses on securing a perimeter and assumes trust inside the network. ZTA moves beyond this, treating every access attempt, internal or external, as a potential threat requiring verification. This never trust, always verify approach provides a much more robust and adaptive defense against today's sophisticated threats. Zero Trust architecture isn't just a trend, it's becoming the foundational security model for modern digital environments. By adopting principles like least privilege and continuous verification, ZTA ensures security scales with your business needs and the complexity of modern threats. Consider implementing a Zero Trust model to ensure greater protection for your data and operations. Thank you for watching.